Today I've just got my sharpie marker here. I'm just going to draw a quick robotic arm. So I'm going to start off drawing the shoulder there, and just draw it like it's armour. And then we could do like a joint there for the elbow. We'll draw the hands. Drawing them like a weird type of bend to the knuckles, because I don't want them to be like normal hands. Draw lines going like that. Maybe a line there, quick line. Then we add a bit of shading on one side, just like that. Don't have to be too spectacular. Basic, to the point. And there we have a quick robot arm.